Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland. Today I'm on the very innovative 2018 Galeon 510 Sky. We're going to start in the back of this boat with the hydraulic swim platform. Submerses all the way down below the water to pick up your dinghy or small jet ski. As you start to move through the cockpit, you'll notice that it is all finished with the teak flooring all throughout the boat in the cockpit. Moving past the stairs to the fly, we will see the nice U-shaped convertible seating area in the aft. This table does fold down to make it into one big sun pad. As we walk forward into the boat, we will see the Galley aft, which is great for entertaining. As you can see, with the wings folded all the way out, there's room for you and all your closest friends, even if you have up to 10 or 12. Full-size refrigerator. Again, right when you walk into the boat, great access for the indoor-outdoor space. As you can see, nice hardwood flooring throughout the galley. If you spill something, very simple, easy to wipe it up. And with the windows open as well, you get a nice cross breeze going throughout the boat. As we move forward to the main salon, very large U-shaped dinette with a large table, plenty of room for 6 people to sit down and eat, with the opposed sofa. And you can see the entertainment station above that. That does retract down so it doesn't block your view when you're underway. Moving forward to the helm. This boat is powered by twin Volvo D11 motors. Great cruising performance. You're going to run about 26, 27 knots at a cruising speed. Bow and stern thruster for easy docking. Full array marine electronics, including an autopilot. Of course, this being the Sky version from Galeon, not only do you get the advantage of having a bridge, you also get all the advantages of the coupe as well, with this retractable sunroof and the side windows that do drop down. As we move down towards the staterooms, we have a full beam master in the midship. Large windows on either side gives you plenty of light. Full queen size island walk around bed and plenty of headroom to spare. Very large storage lockers, as well as a small little office area. Moving forward from the master stateroom, we'll actually go to the VIP stateroom, which is in the B berth of this boat. Again, lots of natural light throughout with the side windows and the top windows. Full queen size island walk around bed, hanging storage locker on either side, and your own separate dedicated access to the day head. Again, it does have the separate shower stall. Bonus feature for this 51-foot boat, we do have a third stateroom. It is a bunkhouse style stateroom, but there is still plenty of room for adults if you need it, as well as a large hanging storage locker, and again, nice visibility and light throughout the room. With this being the 510 Sky, we have to show off one of the best features of this boat and check out the bridge itself. So on the bridge of the 510 Sky, you do have a fully functional helm, full electronics on it, including the autopilot, control your bow and stern thruster, and motors. You have 3 forward-facing seats and a very, very large seating area.